Hello guys, this is a quick update video because I'm actually officially 1 year in the hobby of owning a doll, and she was my first doll. So it's kind of her birthday. I'm a little late because the 6th was her birthday, but I didn't have internet connection. But yeah, for her birthday I decided to change her character because I was stuck with it for a long while. She had the Victorica character and I'm keeping it, but I'm going to reshell the character, but I'm keeping her, and she's becoming Juliet now. So I pierced her ears and I gave her a new face up with more freckles. I modded her mount, it's a bit bigger now. I gave her more dramatic lashes, and she stole my other girl's wig. For her birthday I also bought her a new outfit, new shoes, and new eyes, but they're still coming in. So I'll make another video soon. Thank you guys for watching.